What is up, guys? Welcome back to another one. This video is going to contain the Z deck trial kit card kit. So let's see what we got. I think there's only like 8 in here. Or it might be more than 8. Okay, so it might be 16. It's just some promos in here apparently, and a couple Z Awakening leaders and battle cards. So only gonna open like 2, not even 2, maybe just open this one. So it comes with a pack of cards. It tells you this is like the rules or whatever, the ZENKAI stuff. So there, it looks like there is 4 cards in here. You get a leader card in the back. So Son Goku, and then you awaken, battling for the universe. This is a promo card. So then you would, do your thing. When you learn how to play this, you charge some energies, you awaken for 1. When your life is at 2 or less, you Z awaken. Boom. And then we got Super Saiyan Blue Vegeta. And you get 2 of them. Okay. So you get 1 leader, and 2 Vegetas. So this is a quick little video. It's nothing crazy on it. So you get the leader, Z Awaken leader, and 2 Vegetas. Simple video. I'll see you guys in the next one.